when people say they come to Hawaii and they're like, oh, this is like a melting pot. I think they're wrong. I think it's more like we're a beef stew. So what happens is you have this yummy potato. Maybe that's you. You bring in the onion. Oh, you gotta have the tomato for the tomato sauce in there, right? The carrot, your celery. When you put this all together, you get this magical beef stew. And what happens is everybody that comes in and they're their own vegetable. Let's say you're a carrot, maybe I'm the potato. You got your meat in there too. When you mix this all up, then the sauce on the inside with all of us sharing and caring and learning from each other, that becomes the Ono beef stew. That's just like the open house. Come to our open house. You can learn about the different things within JABSOM. You can share your own stories. It's going to be on Monday, April 20th. It'll be from 9 to 3, but between 12 and 1, you can come and talk stories with the people that are showing some information that you may not necessarily know. It's part of your own JABSOM Ohana.